Using Gmail. Lesson 5. Using speech to text. This video was produced in July and August of 2020. Within that short time, Google made small changes in the way it looks and works. This happens all the time with technology. By the time you use these videos, more may have changed. If you get stuck because something in Google no longer matches the videos, ask your coach, a family member, or a trusted friend to help you. We are going to learn about using speech-to-text in Gmail. For this, we download an app called Dictation for Gmail. It changes spoken words into text. That way, you don't have to type an email. You can speak it instead. Open Google Chrome. On the top left of your Chrome screen, below the address bar, is the Apps button. Click on the Apps button. Click on the Web Store icon. Even though you are going to a store, you will not have to pay anything. The Search the Store bar is on the top left. Type Dictation for Gmail in the bar. Press Enter. The Dictation for Gmail app link is now available. Click on Add to Chrome. A pop-up window asks if you want to add the extension. Click on Add Extension. Dictation for Gmail is now added to Chrome. Let's see how it works. If you're not already signed in, sign into your Google account. Click on Compose to start a new email message. The microphone icon is to the right of the Send button. Click on Microphone. You can now dictate your message. Hi, Tom. I wanted to ask what time the training on Friday is. Let me know. Thanks. If you say your message all at once, Dictation will write one long sentence. This might be confusing for the reader. If you click your microphone off and on between sentences, Dictation will put extra lines between your sentences. That will be easier to read. Hi, Tom. I wanted to ask what time the training on Friday is. Let me know. Thanks. You can only dictate the text of the email. You must type the recipient's email address and the subject. When you are happy with your email, send it. Financial support for the statewide Community Supports Peer Support Services project is provided by the Texas Council for Developmental Disabilities, with federal funds made available by the United States Department of Health and Human Services Administration on Developmental Disabilities.